Hello students, my name is Shering Dolma Sherpa, faculty from the Department of Management Studies. Today I am going to take my first audio session on the subject Marketing Management for BBA 4th semester and BVOC 2nd semester through one of the wonderful mediums of communication, that is Radio Solution 90.8 FM, Voice of Hills. In this audio session, I am going to cover the definition of marketing, objective of marketing, and the function of marketing. So, the very first question that comes to our mind is, what is marketing? And many of the students relate marketing with selling, promotion, advertisement, branding, etc. So, students, let's begin with the definition of marketing. Marketing as a term is widely used in the management of business and in our day-to-day life. The history of marketing dates back to the beginning of civilization. It started with the barter system, and when the volume of business grew up, traders came into existence. With the industrial revolutions happening in the late 18th and early 19th, the business expanded, and with the subsequent progress in transportations and communication, the business grew across the border of our countries. There has been several definitions given by different marketing experts. So, let us begin with the first definition of marketing given by one of the most prominent marketing expert, Dr. Philip Kotler. He has defined marketing in a very simple term. According to Philip Kotler, marketing in terms of CCDVTP, which means creating, communicating, delivering values to target market for profit. Philip Kotler has stressed on the six important term, that is CCDVTP, which means creating a new product or new services in the market, communicating it to the target market. D stands for delivering goods and services to the customers at right place at right time, and values to the target market for profit. So marketing is all about identifying and meeting human and social need, that too in the profitable way. So in the end, the objective of marketing is to earn profit. So when we talk about need, company may fulfill unmet and met need. When a company enter into a new product or a new service category, that is, the company is fulfilling the unmet need, and yet it can be challenging too. There are several product and service category where the product or services are already in existence, and hence you are fulfilling the needs which have been already met by various competitors. So in marketing, what is important? In marketing, catering the needs of the consumer is very, very important. Right product is very, very important. When our marketers are able to bring the right product in the market, the product will sell itself, and hence it becomes easier for the marketer to earn the profit in a better way. The second important definition comes from the American Marketing Association, and the definition came into existence in the year 2007. The American Marketing Association defined marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, client, partners and society at large. Dear students, here we need to understand that marketing is now no more an organizational functions, but rather than that, it is an activity. It is a set of institutions which include four important functions, that is creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings. The third definition has been given by one of the most prominent marketing experts, that is Peter F. Drucker. He says, the aim of marketing is to know and understand the customer so well that the product or services fit him and sell itself. So therefore he stresses on the term right product is very important in marketing. So I hope from all of the three definitions that has been given by three marketing expert, it is clear that marketing is not all about who can talk faster or who can close the sales better, but it is about the deep psychological understanding of customer need. So second topic I'll be covering will is functions of marketing. Now, what is the actual purpose of marketing? Okay. When the marketers identify the needs of the consumer and they are trying to fulfill that met and unmet needs of the consumer, keeping in mind the profit of the organization, what is the actual purpose of marketing? Okay, so there are different functions or the purpose of marketing. The first is gathering, analyzing market information. So it is very, very essential to find out